Hi, I'm Chris Curry and today we're going to be taking a look at the fastest sky replacement technique in Photoshop 2021. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and show some appreciation by hitting that like button. Let's not waste any more time and jump right in. This is the image we're going to be working with. It's a little bit flat at the moment, so let's add some depth by introducing some clouds. The first thing we're going to do is hit Command J and create a copy of our image layer. Then we're going to select Edit and Sky Replacement. This is a new powerful feature that will save you a lot of time. If you click this drop down box, there's already a few options here available to choose from. We're just going to keep it simple and stick with blue skies. Or you can click this plus symbol and upload your own images. This one already looks pretty good to me. I don't want it to be too extreme. I'm going to set the fade edge to 100 to give it a more natural feel. Let's leave the brightness as we can change this later. You also have the option to scale your image. This already looks pretty good to me. If you select this drop down menu, you can make the foreground adjustments. Once you're happy, select OK. Then you'll notice that all your layers are contained in a folder, which is extremely helpful and means you can make any later adjustments. Looking at the image, I can see that the sky is spilling over a bit into these two figures, but that's easy to fix. Hit Command J to make another copy, select W to get your wand tool, and hit Select Subject. Photoshop will analyze your image, find where the subjects are, and create a selection around them. If you want to refine this selection, hide all the layers below it and hit Command Option R. This opens the Select and Mask tool. Hit R again to get the Refine Edges tool, where you can zoom in and paint over the edges you want to refine. Hit OK when you're happy, and let's turn this selection layer into a mask, and then turn all our other layers back on. Here's a before and after. As you can see, it makes quite a difference. The last thing we want to do is make a few minor adjustments. We're going to add a saturation layer and slightly adjust the hue to bring a bit more teal into the image. Then I'll add a curves adjustment layer and bring up the highlights just to brighten everything up. This is looking pretty good to me. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a great day.